Subscribe Hyundai Motors channel. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Hyundai Motors. Hi guys and welcome to Hyundai Motors. Today talk about Hyundai next generation Verna. Hyundai Verna price starts at 8 lakhs and goes up to 12.88 lakhs. Petrol Verna price starts at 8 lakhs. Diesel Verna price starts at 9.43 lakhs. Fuel type is petrol and diesel, and transmission manual and automatic. The Hyundai cars of recent times have started seeming more European than Korean. The designs are cleaning up well. Petrol Hyundai Verna transmission is automatic, and its mileage 17.25 Kmpl and manual mileage 17.4 Kmpl. Diesel Hyundai Verna transmission is automatic, and its mileage 24.35 Kmpl and manual mileage 24.8 Kmpl. Hyundai Verna fuel capacity 45L, displacement 1582 cc, peak power 126 bhp at 4000 rpm, peak torque 265 Nm at 1500 rpm. Key features: air conditioner, central locking, power steering, power windows, steering mounted controls, steering adjustment, electrically adjustable mirrors, and Hyundai Verna available in 7 colors: phantom black, sleek silver, fiery red, stardust, flame orange, polar white, sienna brown. The seat segment in India has a really lot of options, but has been dominated by the Honda City for almost 2 decades. However, there was a small time when the City wasn't on the top of the chart, because it was the Hyundai Verna which was launched in 2011 that took over to the City with its diesel engine. Now the Verna is 4th generation, is quite old. It was given a refresh in 2015, and now Hyundai engineering the 5th generation model, which is vastly updated. We take a spin at Hyundai's test, like to see how the new cafe, the full generation Verna. There it is, the fluidic design language which made it look very premium car, and the new model now comes with the version 2 of the design language, which makes it look like a mini Elantra. The new model sees an increase in length, and it is wider by massive 29mm, always gives it better presence on the road. However, this car is still unmistakably a Verna, because the overall profile still reminds you of one step inside, and the all you wanna get an improved interior, which is again inspired by the Elantra. Quality levels are as good as always. The soft touch plastic from the inside, and the best part is that it gets a whole lot of equipment including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also gets a 7-inch touchscreen system in the center, which is quite good to you. Where the old one I was lacking was in terms of rear seat space, because both in Honda City and the Maruti sires offered a lot of legroom and knee room, and then increase the wheelbase. That, coupled with the wider body, ensures that there's much more space at the rear, the increase in which also means that the boot is bigger by 16 liters. From that has carried over the engines from the previous generation model, which means it gets 1.6 liter petrol and diesel engine options. The 1.6 liter powertrains are the most powerful in the segment, offering a whole lot of power and excellent refinement. Hyundai has carried over the 16 manual gearboxes from the old one up, but thankfully they haven't carried over the 4-speed automatic, because a new generation one now gets the 6-speed automatic transmission. This one offers much better shift. It also is more smoother to operate. Hyundai has been given the new owner and on chassis instead issues the old chassis, and given it more high strength feels. It's also improved the rigidity of the frame, which means that the new car drives much better than before. If you have driven the old Verna, you would recollect that it did offer any feel or feedback whatsoever. Thankfully, Hyundai has updated the chassis and the steering feel. It is much better to drive than before, and also offers some sort of confidence while driving fast. Hyundai also updated there is a suspension of the Verna to give it a much better ride quality, and this one offers more comfort. But Hyundai launched the Florida corner, it took the market by storm, but competition has moved ahead since then, and the one are somehow lost its chance with the new Verna fanatic. Hyundai taken few steps ahead, because the new model not only looks better inside out, it also offers more features, is more spacious, also drives much better than before. That, coupled with relaxed premium Quality and excellent after sales service means that the Maruti Ciaz and Honda City are not to be worried about. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please with the like button and the button, and don't you forget to subscribe to the Hyundai Motors channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please with the like button and the button, and don't you forget to subscribe to the Hyundai Motors channel.